So our true nature is not abstract. It is nothing that we find out there or somewhere else. It is not something higher, something above our normal life or it is not spiritual at all. This is so essential to understand. Our true nature is not spiritual at all. Yeah, so let this sink in. What does it mean? So this points to something that lies deep within ourselves. It points to who we truly are beyond our thoughts, our beliefs, our behavior. Yeah, everything we can imagine. So, but this true nature, this essence of what we truly are, is not separated from the world, is not separated from our body, is not separated from our life. It is something that is immanent, that is deeply embedded in our life, that is truly present. So when people think, oh, I'm starting to search for asking, who am I? Starting to search for my true nature, and they think they begin a spiritual path, they move in a certain direction. It can be helpful, and it is helpful in many cases when it is genuine, authentic. Yes. But when we look closely what our true nature is, we will find out that it is here already, that it was always here, and that we don't need to bring it into a certain format of spirituality, or I'm searching for the right word, to categorize it into something spiritual. So our nature is who we are, who everyone is, and not something special. In a way, spiritual people are searching for the true nature, others not. So our true nature is ourself, our deepest self, that allows our life to flourish, that allows us to experience, to sense deep meaning and inner fulfillment. It is not something out there to hunt or to search, right? So, and I don't want to oversimplify this. I just want to bring it back to what it truly is. It is not spiritual at all, because this would then mean that someone has it or someone not. Someone is it, someone is it not. Someone can reach it, someone not. And this is not true. Everyone, essentially, in the deepest core, not in identification and behaviors or when someone is acting rude or egoistic or egocentric. I'm not talking about this. I'm saying someone's essence, deepest nature, core is this true nature. So when we bring this true nature into this deep, realistic contact and understanding, in this different perspective to perceiving and understanding it, we will see it is already here. It is nothing to reach, nothing to search, nothing to have, yeah, or to occupy. This is not possible. So how can we reach something? How can we, yeah, in a spiritual understanding, when it is who we truly are, everyone. So I know I repeat myself, but this is so essential and important. Yeah. So, and in this understanding, when we see that our true nature is nothing spiritual at all, we can start new. We can perceive and look at it in a certain way. Yeah. Integrate this deeper reality in a total different way. We begin to understand it as our essence. So, and this essence is present once again in every moment and circumstance. It is not there and not there not. It is not in this situation and in this situation not. This doesn't make sense. Okay? So, bringing back our awareness and understanding that our nature is something inherent, immanent, always present. We begin to live from this deeper dimension. We begin to witness, directly sense this deeper dimension that is lying under the surface of every experience. That this deep dimension that was always present. But we couldn't see it, we couldn't perceive it. We were too involved in our thoughts, in our emotions, in our search, in our struggling, in our attempt to understand it spiritually, mentally, whatever. Okay? So, our true nature is the foundation on what we perceive, live, breathe, on which we act. Yeah. We cannot separate it from any circumstance, situation. We cannot, yeah. So, thank you for listening. If you like this insights into awakening, like and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.